Hello everyone, let's learn how to use and include cards in your site. So let's do pretty much the same thing we did in the last features. So you should go to docs in the getbootstrap.com site, search for components, search for card here, click it, and in here you have everything you need to include in your site to use the cards. Now, cards are pretty much a very useful section that a lot of websites nowadays use to show a gallery with pictures and a description. If you go down here, we have a lot of different cards, or you can call it sections. As you can see here in vertical. Now in horizontal, these are pretty very known type of card in sites nowadays. So let's use grid cards or card groups. Let's use this one here. So let's copy this. Let's go to our text editor, paste it. Now let's save this and launch the site. Okay, so we don't have right now, as you can see, we don't have any images, okay? And we have also not giving any limitations to the section, okay? So in order to do that, we would have to create a div here with a class of content, and then we should wrap it up here with another div, and obviously go to CSS and give it some limitations. Okay, now I'm not going to do that. We already know how to use CSS, how to do that. Okay, let's just try another group of cards. Let's go down here. Let's try this one with 4 cards. Let's paste it and save this. Let's go back here, and there it is. Okay, perfect. So we would have to include obviously images, okay, in here, and obviously style it with some CSS. But this is how we use cards with in Bootstrap. Okay, you have a lot of different choices here. So that's it. See you guys later. Bye bye.